All right, everybody stop the presses. We finally have a dragon fruit that is not white that we get to try at long last.
After being lied to several freaking times. Finally get to try it.
So we've done videos trying the yellow dragon fruit that are pretty sweet, and then the white flesh dragon fruit. And every time we've looked for red or alternate color dragon fruits
That are labeled the alternate color, they're still
yeah, sometimes they'll even be labeled as red, but they were still white. So we're gonna give this a taste test. There is a lot of range in dragon fruit tastes. We have started growing some in the backyard. They haven't reached maturity and started to bear fruit yet.
they're growing nicely.
Yes. So I am very excited about finally getting to have a.
I just realized that I need bowls, but I didn't get that far because I was excited.
So we've got a red one at last.
Yeah, now I'm a mess. Could you undo the other bowl for me, please? Thanks.
So let's see what we think of it.
It's a lot sweeter than the white one.
Oh yeah.
Better flavor. More flowery.
Yeah.
It's also the color it said it was going to be.
Yeah. Yeah, because a lot of the white flesh dragon fruits have been nearly tasteless, and sometimes they haven't even really been sweet. But this one's moderately sweet.
I think this one's like the sweetness of the yellow dragon fruit, but it's got like the everything else of the white dragon fruit.
Yeah. I think
It's
it's
also
got that.
prettier color.
Yeah. It's got that crispness that the white has going for it. And there are some that are like just obscenely sweet. Like they're just breaking the brick scale.
But you want a dragon fruit? This is only sugar.
I'm curious what variety this is. Doesn't say, right?
No, it just says red.
Since it's not too terribly sweet, that's a good indicator as to what it is. I don't remember which ones are lower in sweetness.
Chips?
I don't know.
That's the first red one that I can think of. But there's also like hundreds of varieties because everybody's just named it after themselves. Because they're like, wow, this is great. I'm naming it after myself.
But yeah, it's delicious.
It's actually the color it's supposed to be. It's brown.
Yeah. And now it's all gone.